Hey guys, Kyle here with Product Development at Adams Polishes, here to introduce a brand new product for you. Right here I have our brand new Eco Wheel Cleaner. What we've done is converted the technology that's in Eco All-Purpose Cleaner and combined it with our current product that's already great, our wheel cleaner. So I have behind me here a 2015 Nissan GTR on brushed copper wheels. So these wheels are anodized, they're beautiful, and they arrived to us hot and dirty as could be. So what we did was we tackled them with this product here. As you can see, it did a great job cleaning these wheels, and I think our customer will be happy when he sees his car. So we're not getting rid of our current wheel cleaner, but we're adding this into our arsenal. So this one is going to be used for fragile wheel finishes, for delicate wheel surfaces, for anything that you're worried about staining just the slightest. If you have high performance brakes, if you have a crazy amount of brake dust, if you have buildup that you just need the big guns for, that's what I would recommend our current wheel cleaner for. If you're looking for a safer option, something that's maybe a little bit easier to use and that you can leave on there in case you make a mistake, our Eco Wheel Cleaner is definitely the product for you. This wheel cleaner has a naturally derived surfactant in it that produces a high foam and a high wetting agent that still removes the dirt and grime and makes it easy for you to rinse off. So our Eco Wheel Cleaner has a component in it that is direct release to the environment safe. So it's safe for your wheels and it's safe for the environment at the same time. So if you're worried about damaging your wheels with staining, if you want a wheel cleaner that just smells nice, or if you just have a wheel that has a super fragile finish, go ahead and pick up a bottle of this wheel cleaner today and I'm certain you won't be let down. Like all of our products here at Adams, it's 110% guaranteed to blow your mind and the brake dust right off those wheels.